Are you having a hard time with your payment gateway, getting your money stuck and not letting you have your money? Or you're not having a proper payment gateway to use in 2024? If you're facing those problems, then this video is for you, and I want you to watch this video until the end if you actually want to solve the problem for lifetime. And this applies to you no matter where you live, so make sure you watch this video until the end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm going to be talking about payment gateway, one of the biggest issues that most of the people face. And a lot of people give up dropshipping just because of the payment gateway. But today I have so many solutions that you could literally find the perfect payment gateway solution for yourself and for your business, so that you never have to run away between payment gateways to payment gateways and you have a proper solution. Now, in today's list, I'm going to go through some of the best payment gateways and I'm going to tell you guys which one I suggest the most. So make sure you guys watch until the end to find the best one out of the list. And I am going to rate each one of them out of 10 and tell you guys why I rate it that much. Now, if you guys don't know me, I've done dropshipping for the past 4 years, alhamdulillah. I have made multiple 7-figure brands, and alhamdulillah, I am so proud to say that I have over 1,600 members in my Discord community as a student, and it's an amazing journey that I've continued to pursue. And today I'm gonna give you guys the solution that you guys would need for your payment gateway. I'm gonna start off with one of the most famous payment gateways, which you guys might already have an idea of, which is called Stripe. Now, it is a payment gateway that is also known as the headache because of the amount of problems that you face with it. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because a lot of the times when your business is doing so good, Stripe suddenly decides to shut it down. I am not saying 100% of the time, but in so many cases. I have had so much of my money stuck with Stripe. There's over 20,000 dirhams stuck with Stripe right now that I can't even do anything about. But there's other solutions to it, and the other solutions to it would be another payment gateway. So in my opinion, what you guys need to understand with Stripe is that Stripe is amazing. It accepts a lot of payment, but the problem is, if you're at risk, you shouldn't be doing that business, especially when the risk is the money that you have already earned. The money is literally right over here. I can literally either keep it in my pocket or Stripe will keep it to themselves, and Stripe decides to keep it to themselves and they don't even give you the money back. Like, I have called them 2,000 times. I have done everything that I possibly could, that I have fulfilled the orders. Like, what else do you think you might need from me? But no, Stripe decides to keep the money for forever if they want to, or for a lifetime. But on the other side, as I told you guys, it is actually good because it accepts almost any payment from any country, but it's not something rare with other payment gateways. But nonetheless, Stripe is of course very much famous, so they have a lot of credibility. But nonetheless, with the experience that I've had and most of the people, they don't really suggest it. The second payment gateway is actually PayPal. Now, PayPal is actually an amazing payment gateway, but again, the same issues with PayPal is actually the same issues with Stripe. They actually ban your account, give you money after 3 months, 4 months, or not at all. It depends upon them. And the problem with that is that once you have your business running, you cannot have your money stuck anywhere. You need to get back to the business and keep overflowing the business with the money. I do not think it's something that you would be using in 2024, especially because there's so many better options and so many diversified payment gateways that you could take advantage of in 2024. Now, do you guys think that Stripe and PayPal is the only 2 payment gateways? No, there is thousands of different payment gateways, and that's why I'm gonna come to the next payment gateway that I personally love. The payment gateway that I'm going to talk about is actually called USA Drop. USA Drop is something that have changed the payment gateway industry completely, and the reason why I'm talking about them is because they have done such an amazing job in helping dropshippers not have those nightmares again. The nightmares of having the chargebacks, high fees, getting their payments on hold, and so much more. Now, the reason why I would suggest you guys to use USA Drop is because it's reliable, it's global, and it's actually stable on dropshipping success. Not just that, but it also supports PayPal, credit cards, Klarna, and even more. Now, to get USA Drop as your payment gateway or payment provider, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is literally search USA Drop in Google or click on the link that is in my description, the first link. And once you're in this page right over here on the home page, you can basically click on right over here, which is called services, and right over here click on dropshipping payment. In dropshipping payment, you will be able to see everything completely. Trusted and strong payment solution for dropshipping. It's something so simple that you can literally apply within a few minutes. Now, why would you choose USA Drop is because of the advantages that they have. It has seamless dropshipping payments, it has global dropshipping access, and as well as stability and trusted gateway, along with diverse payment channels. So it has support for PayPal, credit card, Klarna, and even more. As you guys can see, it's so simple and easy to set up. Now, you guys can see how you can can easily get USA Drop for your own Shopify store. First of all, you have to complete the application form, which is going to take you a few minutes. Once you have submitted your business and information, then you're going to be inside the customized solution when their agent will actually contact you and give you a tailored payment solution for your dropshipping business. And the next thing, of course, would be to connect it to your store. So once everything is set up, you have talked to an agent, you have applied, then the next step is actually to connect it to your store, which is going to take them a few minutes probably and get you started with your dropshipping success. The best part about USA Drop, I would say, is that it has such an amazing community and such an amazing agents that they're going to get in contact with you at any time and help you through most of your problems. And as you guys already know, if you want to actually make millions or hundreds of thousands or even thousands through dropshipping and e-commerce, you have to know that you have to have a good payment gateway. You are missing out on such an amazing opportunity because USA Drop will give you a tailored solution for your business so that you have good payment gateway solution. Now again, if you want to apply, all you have to do is literally click on the link in the description. You have to put your first name, last name, email with your mobile number, a few more information, and you have literally got in contact with their agent. They will be able to help you and support you through everything that you may require. Now, if you guys thought that was all, that was not all, because in this video, I'm also going to give you guys a quick solution to your fulfillment and delivery. Well, with USA Drop, you can actually have a capacity of 60,000 orders per day. That's exactly how much fulfillment they do, and they have done over 80 million fulfillment until now. So if you guys want to have an on-time fulfillment and delivery for your business, then look no further. And also with USA Drop, you also get the fulfillment access, on-time dropshipping fulfillment, 10 plus years of experience, global warehousing, and better price. They have fulfilled over 80 million orders and they do 60,000 daily order capacity, which sounds crazy, but that's how big and huge they are. You can literally unlock your e-commerce success with them, and if you want to get started, they will even give you the winning products. And look at the shipping dates, guys. It's only 6 to 13 days in USA, in Canada 7 to 13 days, and almost all of them are less than 15 days, which is almost impossible to get in 2024 because most of the shipping companies actually take 3 weeks, 4 weeks on a minimum basis. But these guys have done it even better, because if you go from global warehousing, you can literally get it in 2 to 5 days shipped out to USA, 2 to 5 days to UK/Europe, and literally less than 5 days for all of these other countries that you guys could potentially think of. So if you guys want to have product sourcing, warehousing, shipping, and branding for your product done by USA Drop, make sure you guys again check them out, because this is an opportunity you do not want to miss out, and this is something that I would suggest you guys, no matter if you're a starter or if you're someone doing 10k per day, get into USA Drop as soon as you can with the link in my description. Now last but not least, I'm going to tell you guys about one more payment gateway, which is called cash on delivery. Now cash on delivery does not work in every single country. It works mostly in the Middle Eastern countries, but again, if you guys were to have 2 payment gateways in one, like USA Drop plus cash on delivery, you guys could easily set up cash on delivery inside your Shopify settings within a few steps. All you have to do to set up cash on delivery is literally go to delivery inside your Shopify store setting and set up cash on delivery, which literally takes just a few minutes. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos about payment gateways, fulfillment, and all of that about dropshipping and e-commerce, make sure you guys actually get in contact and actually leave a comment below. And let me know what you guys think about USA Drop, because they have actually sponsored this video. And I truly love them for the fact that they have changed the whole dropshipping and e-commerce community forever, with the fact that you do not have problems with your payment gateways anymore, which is something that we have all actually felt problems with. So if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys want to see similar videos, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. I'll see you guys on the next one.